Welcome to my channel, and today I'll be making stuffed chicken breast with shrimp and lobster. So let's get started. The first step is to prepare the shrimp. Here I have some oil in a pan and I'm sauteing some garlic. Then I'll be cooking the shrimp for about 5 minutes. I purchased pre-cooked lobster meat, so I'm going to go ahead and add the lobster to the shrimp just so that you can soak up some of that garlic flavor, as well as season with some all-purpose season, or you can use salt and pepper. Here I'm preparing the chicken breast for stuffing, so I'm doing a butterfly cut. Then I'll be seasoning the chicken breast on both sides. Do keep in mind that the full ingredients will be on my blog, and you can find the link in the description box below. The next step is to prepare the other ingredients for the stuffing. So here I have some spinach with some cream cheese, as well as I'll be adding Gouda cheese, and I'm just going to mix that all together. The next step is to go ahead and stuff your chicken breast. So first I'll be adding the spinach and cheese mixture, then I'll be adding the shrimp and lobster. The next I'm going to seal with some toothpicks just to keep everything together. Then I'll be moving on to the other chicken breast, and I'll be completing the same steps. Next, I'm going to sear the chicken on both sides, about 5 minutes on each side. Then I'll be placing this in the oven, and I'll be baking this for 30 minutes at 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Now once it's done, it should look like this. So go ahead and like this video, comment, and subscribe for more videos. And thank you for watching, and see you next time. Take care.